Hello guys! It's another video for today and naglalakad na po tayo papunta doon sa Merlion Park. Sumakay po kami ng MRT going here and this is their MRT system map. Medyo confusing at first pero pag naintindihan mo na siya, madali din naman. And this one is the EasyLink card for kids. 5 years old and below, you can get this for free. You just need to present the kid's passport doon sa ticketing booth and they will issue this to you. It's valid for 1 year na po, guys. So, meaning 1 year ka magsistay sa Singapore. Joke. So, nandito na po tayo sa Merlion Park. And at this moment, 7:20 p.m. na po ito, pero super liwanag pa, guys. Kasi yung sunset dito is mga 7:30 or 8, something ganon. And that one is the Marina Bay Sands na building, na hotel. So, ayun na nga, guys. Kwento ko lang sa inyo regarding doon sa EasyLink card. For adults, you can purchase the EasyLink card doon sa ticketing booth or sa machine kiosk for $10 and $5 nun is consumable. Pag naubos, you can just load it up. Or you can also use right away your Visa card or MasterCard. Just take note lang po guys na if you are traveling like four kayo or marami kayo, you have to have one card for each person because you cannot swipe the same card for two person kasi sa Singapore po guys, yung MRT system nila, how it works is that nakakalculate po nila yung pamasahe mo based sa entry and exit nung card. So, ayun na nga guys, pag nag-second swipe ka ng isang card dun sa entry pa lang, mag-e-error siya kasi nadidetect siya ng system. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo to kasi yun nga, it was stressful kasi hindi ko alam na maganda tong eksena. So, one card per person lang when you ride the MRT. So, ayun lang, baka makatulong sa inyo yung video na to. And ito na kami, bumibili lang ng ice cream bago umuwi. See you on my next video. Bye!